hexadecimal string to byte array in Python. I have a long hex string that represents a series of values of different types. I wish to convert this hex string into a byte array so that I can shift each value out and convert it into its proper data type.
Provided I understood correctly, you should look for binasky.unhexlify.
Suppose your hex string is something like: convert it to a byte array, Python 3 and 2.7. Convert it to a bytes object, Python 3. Note that bytes is an immutable version of byte array. Convert it to a string, Python less than or equal to 2.7.
Assuming you have a byte string like so: \x12 \x45 \x00 \zab. And you know the amount of bytes and the type, you can also use this approach. As I specified little endian, using the {h} at the start of the format string, the function returned the decimal equivalent. 0 times 12 is equal to 18. 0 times 45 is equal to 69. 0xab00 equals 43,776. B is equal to 1 byte, 8-bit, unsigned. H is equal to 2 bytes, 16-bit, unsigned. More available characters and byte sizes can be found here. The advantages are: you can specify more than 1 byte and the endian of the values. Disadvantages: you really need to know the type and length of data you're dealing with.
There is a built-in function in byte array that does what you intend. It returns a byte array and it reads hex strings with or without space separator.
If you want to go down, please indeed look as is hiding.